Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Google, and if you're searching for a buy point on Google, I think I got one for you. Now, today was a good buy on Google as it broke out of a little bit of a daily flag pattern, but today's not the only day. We do want to see some upside momentum follow through here on Google. And so I think if you watch Google for a move above and a close above 181.50, and you get that on Google, I think you could take action on this stock, at least for a momentum trade, noting it is a bit high above the 21-day and the 8-day. So you just kind of want to follow that momentum until it bucks you off. But I think at least from a swing trade perspective, you could look up here to see if Google can fill that gap at around 192. So 181 to 192, that would be a near-term swing target on a move above 181.50 on Google. So that's just one of many setups we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to see our premium service, take a trial. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.